Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Honda Accord 1.5. So right now the problem is with the airbag code. The customer complaint is that the airbag light here, sometime it would turn on and turn off right away. Sometimes it will stay on for a couple hours and then it would turn off by itself. So right now it's not on. So when I read the code come out to the passenger indicator on and off, so which is this one right here. Sometime it would turn off and on. So right now it says it's off because there's no passengers sitting on the passenger side, so that's why it's off. So right now my coworker is gonna sit on the car, close the door, put on the seatbelt. There you go, it turned off. You see that? So that's how it indicate there's a passengers sitting on the right side. So right now it says off. It turns off the light because it's on right now because someone's sitting on the passenger side. Yeah, passenger side. See if the light turns off. There you go, it turned off. So I have the part here. I bought this one used. This is the part number right here. Oh no, there you go, that's the part number. I bought this one for 85 used. For if you want them OEM, it costs around, I believe, around 170. So yeah, I bought this one used, $85. New one from Honda probably around 180. But I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the indicator. Move the indicator light right here. You don't have to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, just an indicator. It doesn't affect anything. If you disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, after you're done, you put the battery back, you might have like ABS light on, traction control light on, and then you have to recalibrate it with the scanner. But to get the indicator lights out, you're gonna pop out the side cover right here. So it sits on the side like this. All I do is just shove my pry tool in, pop it out, and then pop this out from here. But you're gonna pop out this bottom one out first. So you're gonna shove the pry tool clip here, pop it out. There you go, they're all clips, you can see. And then on the side here, it clips in like this, clips into the dash like this. So you just pop it out, remove it, and then for the whole piece right here, you can shove the pry tool clip in and then pry it out just like that. It's gonna pop out that whole thing, and then you can reach your hand back here, press the connector, press the tab right here, pull, check the connector, make sure there's no damaged pin or corrosion. Check the wires on the back here, make sure it's not broken or ripped. For the indicator, so it sits like this, and you see this two little locker here, so you gotta press them in. I believe you press them in and push it forward. I'm gonna use my needle nose, and I'm gonna press in the two clip lock on the side. There you go, it popped out. It's the exact same thing, exact same part number. This the old one, this is my another one. So I'm just gonna put this one back. There you go, it clicks. Put back my connector. There you go. I'm gonna snap the piece back. So I'm gonna snap everything back. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna put the air vent back. There you go. Snap my bottom trim piece back. There you go. There you go. There you go. And then just snap my cover, put it back onto the side. Hey-ya, 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 hey-ya. There you go. I have the car running. I'm gonna clear the airbag light after. Sometimes on, sometimes off, but I'm still gonna clear it. So right now, after I put in my new indicator already, I'm gonna switch over to the passenger side. 3, 2, 1, hiya! Hiya! There you go. Went away, that's good. So I'm gonna switch over to the driver. Turn it back on. Let me try it one more time. 3, 2, 1, hiya! Hiya! Come on, hiya! There you go. So I'm gonna use my scanner. See, when I get off of it, so it's turned back on. So I'm gonna use the scanner. I'm gonna clear the light. So if you disconnect the battery, these two lights are gonna be on. The brake light will be on, traction control light will be on. You need to recalibrate it, so you need a scanner to recalibrate it. But for the airbag code, I'm gonna show you again one more time. There you go. That's the passenger airbag indicator on and off. I'm gonna clear it. Here you go. Continue. There you go. Code clear. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. There you go. So for you to recalibrate the brake light, the traction control, and everything, you're gonna need a scanner. I have one in my video that I show how to calibrate it. So you're gonna go to ABS, and then you go functional tests, and then press continue. And then you're gonna go to all sensor adjustment. There you go, all sensor, and then recalibrate. Just follow the step. But that is it for the airbag light, for just a airbag light indicator. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't mind, I'm out. Peace.